Okay, so today we're going to be talking about fire blankets and when to use them and when not to use them. So, two main uses on a fire blanket. One, if someone's on fire, you can wrap them up in it. And the second one is in cooking oils and fats when you're cooking, which we're going to be demonstrating today. Right, typical example of where people use the fire blanket incorrectly. Fire's too big and it can't be completely covered. They'll end up whacking the fire, which is then fanning it, which is making it worse. Remember, two things it's good for: wrapping someone up or covering a pan that's on fire, as I'm about to show you. We have an example of an oil fire. What we want to be doing, first we want to be turning the heat off. We want to be turning the handle out of the way carefully. Fire blanket comes out, holding it at a distance. You want to be coming over and slowly covering. Stepping away. If this was a ceramic hob, what you want to be doing is you want to be moving it carefully off because there's potentially got residual heat there. People on that demo that you've just seen, you see me move the handle. Why is that important? Well, let's say, for example, you're now putting it over, slowly over, and you knock this handle, and all that oil now is coming out on top of you. You're spreading that fire. So it's really important that if you have got a handle like this, you gently move it out to the side before you use the fire blanket. Don't throw the fire blanket. Don't panic. You have to stay calm. That's the best way of putting this out. You have to stay calm. You have to do it slowly. You have to do it completely covering it. And all you want to do is you want to create that seal around there, which is then going to put it out. Okay? Do not throw it. Do not knock it. You don't want to spread that oil fire. Make sure your blanket as well is tested regularly. You don't want one like this or frayed. That's not going to be much of a fire resistant material like that. Okay, so really important parts as well. If you don't have a fire blanket and you don't have any firefighting equipment, try and get, if you've got a lid for it, again, this is a bit more dangerous. Make sure the heat is turned off. Try and put the lid on it. Do not, whatever you do, put water on there. Do not go picking it up and moving it over to the sink. It's very dangerous. Right, as you can see from the demonstration, this is the fire blanket that we just used. Don't put these back in the holster once you've used them. Treat them as a one-time use. Wrap it back up, put it in the bin, go and buy yourself another one. As you can see, it's the perfect example for a fire blanket. Again, it's wide enough for if someone's on fire, wrap them up. Okay, so I hope you found this little bit of a video demonstration helpful. Remember, if in doubt, get out. Do not tackle fires that are already established. If you have got a fire safety stick and you're on your way out, activate it, leave it behind you, going off, shut the door, phone the fire brigade. At least the fire safety stick's going to fill that room and slow that fire down, buying you extra seconds to get out and extra seconds for the fire brigade to get in. Thank you very much.